What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And first and foremost, I just want to apologize for So now that I got y'all hooked into what I want to apologize for, I'm truly sorry for the past 2-day vlogs not being uploaded. I didn't really get to film much. We were completely slammed both days. 18 haircuts a day, just pushing out clients, just getting everybody taken care of for the Christmas day, celebrations, festivities, dinners, parties, whatever that the client may be getting into. We're just making sure everybody gets fresh. But I truly appreciate everybody that's been tuning into the Vlogmas series. It was a really fun series. It taught me a lot as far as, timing and editing and stuff like that. So it just, for me, it makes it a lot easier to upload now, for the fact being that I know that I could upload daily if I really push myself and I want to. But this just gives me, that I want to say experience and just putting the reps in, to make sure that we can get 2 to 3 uploads a week, which should be cake now, after uploading daily. But I just truly appreciate everybody that's been locked into the channel, for supporting the channel, and just sharing, the content, sharing my work, and just sharing the knowledge that I do have to pass. I think everybody, all those who are liking the videos, commenting, interacting down in the comment section, all that stuff does not go unnoticed, and I truly appreciate everybody's support. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button, join the family. More videos coming down the line. We just passed 1,800 subscribers, so we're on our way to 2K. We're gonna get there in no time, and I'm gonna be doing a 245 Power Man giveaway. But other than that stuff for the channel, I just wanna say that I truly appreciate all my barber brothers in the shop for, partaking and being able to be filmed and being able to, put themselves out there, be real on camera, just show their true selves and allow us to get those candid moments. And, there's a lot of roasting that goes on in the shop. There's a lot of, picking and stuff like that. But, those are all shop things. We're all brothers in here. So, if you have siblings and you have brothers or sisters, you know that you guys be roasting each other all the time. And that's just the type of bond that we have in the shop. That's the type of family we have here. So I truly appreciate my barber brothers for, just allowing me to film during this vlogging series and just, making everything a lot more interesting. I got a good group of guys here, and I wouldn't want it any other way. So I truly appreciate them. And just, hope that everybody has a Merry Christmas. I hope that everybody gets what they want, despite COVID being, a huge focus right now. And, a lot of the economy is not where it needs to be. The barbers have taken a huge hit across the country. And I just pray that, everybody is blessed, that everybody has got what they need. Sometimes we don't have what we want, but as long as we got what we need, we'll be straight. But like I said, I wish everybody a Merry Christmas. May everybody have a blessed day today. May everybody have their bellies full, a roof over their head and clothes on their back. That's the only thing that we could really ask for every single year. With all that being said, like I said before, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Until next time.